In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Airtable in Confluence in just 5 minutes. This tutorial is designed to help you seamlessly integrate your Airtable data into your Confluence pages, ensuring that all your teams stay on the same page, literally. So let's dive right in and get started on embedding an Airtable base into Confluence. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Airtable website. If you're not already familiar with Airtable, it's a versatile online platform used for building next-generation apps and managing data in a collaborative manner. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, you're going to want to click on the Sign In button. If you haven't logged in before, simply enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to the Airtable home. Upon reaching your Airtable home, you'll see a list of all your current bases. Think of these bases as your workspaces where specific datasets are stored. From here, navigate to the particular base you'd like to embed into Confluence. Simply click on it to open it. With your base open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the Share button. Clicking on this button will reveal multiple sharing options for your Airtable base. What you're looking for next is the Share Publicly option. This feature enables anyone with the link to view your base without needing to sign in or have an Airtable account, essential for embedding in Confluence. After choosing to share publicly, a link will be generated for your base. Click the Copy Link button to copy this URL to your clipboard. This is the magic link that you will use to integrate your base with Confluence. Now navigate to your Confluence page where you want to embed your Airtable base. In the editing interface of Confluence, simply paste the copied Airtable link directly into the page. The link will be passed by Confluence and your Airtable base will be embedded on the page dynamically. This means any updates to the Airtable base reflect in real time within your Confluence page, ensuring everyone accessing your Confluence stays updated with the latest information. And there you have it, a seamless integration of Airtable into your Confluence environment. This integration not only improves accessibility, but also enhances collaboration by bringing two powerful platforms together. Whether you're managing projects, tracking progress, or aggregating data, embedding Airtable into Confluence is a potent way to elevate productivity across your teams. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was beneficial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workflows. Happy embedding!